Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make your old iPhone faster. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, slide to power off and turn it back on. Restart clears hidden background processes that slow down old iPhones. Step 2. Offload unused apps. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Tap offload unused app. This removes unused apps but keeps your data. Old iPhones slow down when storage is almost full. Step 3. Clear Safari website data. Go to settings, then Safari, tap clear history and website data. This free of RAM and stops lag while browsing. Step 4. Turn off background app refreshes. First go to settings, then general, then background app refreshes. Turn it off. It stops all apps from running all the time in the background. Step 5. Update iOS. Go to settings, then general, then software update. Install the latest update available for your device. iOS updates improve speed and stability even on older models. Step 6. Turn off automatic downloads. Go to the settings, then App Store. Turn off app updates or automatic downloads. This prevents your iPhone from slowing down in the background, and this is how you can make your old iPhone faster. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.